Hey, Spencer. T-Man, come here. Spencer, can you come here?
Yeah.
Come here.
What?
Is it dark?
It's not dark.
It is not dark. Is it getting dark?
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, Spencer, what game is on tonight?
The Phillies.
The Phillies are on tonight?
Yeah.
Are we going to go home and watch them? Come here. Let me see your shirt.
Let me shirt.
Phillies.
The Phillies. You remember whose shirt you have on tonight?
Yeah.
Whose is it? Do you remember?
No.
You don't know? Is it Rollins?
Yeah.
Yeah. What other shirt do you have? You remember? Do you also have Howard? Yeah. Spencer, can you say go Phillies? Can you give me a really big go Phillies? Just one?
Well.
Can you give me a big go Phillies? One big go Phillies. And then I'll turn off the camera. Come here. One big one. All right, that's about as big as I could hope for. Phillies?
The Phillies.
Phillies.